Namaskar students, how are you? Fine. This is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your curriculum and as per your session, you know that we are discussing linear programming, and the topic today we are going to discuss is numerical problem based on graphical method. And yeah, you know that the corner point method that we have discussed is widely applicable in the solution of different level of numerical problems that may be solved with the help of graphical method. So please, you can see, I would like to share something for you, and please note down this numerical problem. I am giving you an example that will be solved with the help of, you can say, graphical method. So please write this example. This is very, very important for you, for your examination of any level, whether that is university examination or whether that is competitive examination. This question is very much important, and this will be solved with the help of corner point method or by graphical method. So please write, and I hope this screen is visible to you. Solve the following linear programming problem graphically. It has already been said that you have to solve numerical, means that I start from, you can say, here to the whole. You have to discuss as a whole. This portion, maximize z is equal to 4x plus y, subject to the constraints. You have to maximize this objective function, you know, this is objective function. So please firstly note down question in your exercise sheet. Solve the following linear programming problem graphically, and the problem is maximize z is equal to 4x plus y, subject to the constraints x plus y less than or equal to 50, 3x plus y less than or equal to 90, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. So this is the numerical, and for your kind information, this is a long answer type question. Generally, a long answer type question at university level bears 10, 14 or 20 marks, and your state, or you can say India level competitive examination like Union Public Service Commission examination and others, this question may carry 20 marks. So firstly, what you have to do, you have to forget this z is equal to 4x plus y. You have to write in your copy, if you are in exercise set, that it is given that, please write answer. It is given that z is equal to 4x plus y. Take it as equation 1. Subject to the constraints x plus y less than or equal to 50. Take it as equation 2. 3x plus y less than or equal to 90. Equation 3. And the last and important fact of this numerical is x is greater than or equal to x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. This is as in equation 4. Now, to, you can say, get solution, to firstly to get the solution you have to draw a graph. You have to sketch the pictorial representation what this graph is saying. So for that, let us write the corresponding equation of inequation 2. That will be what? X plus y is equal to 50. Take it as equation 5. And 3x plus 5, 3x plus y is equal to 9. That is the corresponding equation of this inequation. You know well. That is right. 3x plus y is equal to 90. Okay. Then if you put here by inspection method, if you put in your result as x is equal to 0, then we will be finding what? Y is equal to 50. If x is equal to 0, then y will be 50. So the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 50. See here, this is the result. 0, 50. 0, 50. Right? If you put y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 50. Then you will be finding what? We will be finding 50, 0. Means x is equal to 50, y is equal to 0. Similarly, if you put here in corresponding to these inequations, 3x plus y is equal to 90. If you put x is equal to 0, then you will be finding y is equal to 90. And if you put y is equal to 0, then x is equal to what? 3x is equal to 90, so x is equal to 30. So you can see here, this is the result. And on the basis of this, you can draw a graph. Don't confused by seeing the diagram. You have to take a interval of 10, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, because our limitation is TAVR 90, so or 50. So we have taken as approximate, you know, from your very beginning class, that how we should draw the graph of a equation or an inequation. So you have taken y is equal to here 9, here 100, and x is equal to what? It is equal to 70. So the point you have, the line you have, this is x plus y is equal to 50. This is x plus y is equal to 50. So your points are what? The coordinates are, you have taken x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. If you put here x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then this will be also 0. If you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, so in that circumstance, the coordinate of origin means the initial point of the graph at this point 0, 0, at this point 0, 0, we will be finding 0, 0. And the second point is what? If you are putting x is equal to 30, x is equal to, then you can find like that. So in this way, you can have two lines. One is this is representing x plus y is equal to 50. This x plus y is equal to 50, and 3x plus y is equal to 90. This is 3x plus y is equal to 90. This is the graph for this line. This is the corresponding equation for this line, and x plus y is equal to 50 is the corresponding equation of this line. Now, since this line and this line both are intersecting each other at the point B, so for that you solve this equation, 3x plus y is equal to 90 and x plus y is equal to 50, just by the process of class 8, that how you solve two equations. Solve 3x plus y is equal to 90 and x plus y is equal to 50. So by substitution or by any method, you can find here that x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 30. Then 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. It is approved. And if you put here 20, then this will be 60 and y is equal to 30, then this is equal to 90. Means your solution is correct. Similarly, you see here, this is the point where y coordinate is 50 and x coordinate is 0. So the coordinate of this point is this. So the feasible region point are what? This point, and this point. These are the feasible point because these three points can only satisfy your these two results. This and this. This and this. And no other values like this 50 or whatever may be the other value, they are not going to satisfy. So this is the feasible region. So we have to check our result in between this domain and this region. This you can say sky color region is the feasible region, and hence you can find if you put all these, this is, you see here is 0 50 0 50 20 30, here is 20 30, here is what 0 0, and then 0 50. So if you put all these value in this result, z is equal to 4x plus y, then the maximum value you are getting is 120. So your answer will be what? The maximum value of z is 120 at the point 30 0. The point is 30 0. Means this is the point at which an organization or anyone can get maximum benefit if you are talking in context to the business concept. So student, I hope you should do this numerical, and in case of any doubt you should write your comment in the inbox. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In case of any query, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Thank you very much for listening and enjoying this lecture, students. Thanks again.